Welcome to episode 50 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor here to explore the foundations of data and AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
Imagine it's the year 2050. Data and AI aren't just tools we use, they are woven into the fabric of everyday life and even shape what it means to be human.
That's a bold vision, Jonas. Today, we're not just looking back at what data and AI have achieved, but forward, speculating on where they might take us and how the world might change.
Exactly. Looking ahead like this is called foresight. It's a kind of structured speculation based on current trends, history, and emerging technologies. It helps us not just dream about the future, but prepare for it.
And in business especially, foresight is gold. Companies who anticipate trends can transform industries before their competitors even see the opportunity.
So let's start by defining foresight. It's not merely guesswork or wild predictions. It combines studying data patterns, technological trajectories, social shifts, and even ethics to imagine multiple plausible futures.
That's right. And it's practical too. I've worked with automotive companies that use foresight workshops to decide which AI technologies to invest in. For example, today's push towards autonomous vehicles comes from those early bets on sensor fusion and machine learning.
On that note, consider how AI has evolved in these decades, from simple pattern recognition in the mid-20th century to today's deep neural networks that can generate art, write essays, and even assist medical diagnoses.
Take healthcare. Right now, AI already reads radiology images faster and sometimes more accurately than human doctors. By 2050, we might have systems monitoring our health continuously, maybe even detecting diseases before symptoms appear.
That could shift medicine from reactive treatment to proactive prevention, deeply altering how we live and age. But it also raises questions about privacy, data ownership, and trust.
Absolutely. In financial services, for instance, AI-driven personalized financial advisors are becoming common, but there's always this tension. How much do people want AI deciding what's best for their money?
And that tension is part of the future's complexity. Foresight involves imagining not only the technology, but its societal context, how governments regulate AI, how cultures adopt or resist it, and the ethical frameworks evolving alongside.
I like to think about it like this. Data and AI are becoming a new infrastructure, like electricity was in the 20th century. It powers almost everything, but also brings challenges we're just beginning to understand.
That's a helpful analogy. Electricity didn't just automate industries, it reshaped cities, economies, and lifestyles. AI and data might do the same on a more profound scale.
And we're already seeing the first waves of that transformation. Retailers use AI to predict what you want before you even look. Logistics companies optimize routes in real time, and energy grids balance supply and demand with smart automation.
From a theoretical perspective, the key is that data and AI create feedback loops. More data trains better models. Better models generate new insights, driving further data collection and innovation.
And that loop will only accelerate. But the future won't be all smooth. We'll face issues like bias baked into AI, job displacement, and new forms of digital inequality.
That's a central point. The future we imagine is shaped as much by human choices as by technology itself. Foresight isn't about predicting a single outcome, but preparing for many possibilities.
Speaking of possibilities, have you heard about the idea of AI-human symbiosis? Not just AI as a tool, but AI integrated into our daily decisions, even our bodies, amplifying our capabilities.
Yes, concepts like brain-computer interfaces or AI-enhanced cognition suggest a future where the line between human and machine blurs. This raises profound philosophical questions about identity and agency.
From a consultant's lens, such advances could change workplace dynamics entirely. Imagine knowledge workers augmented by AI assistants that anticipate needs and surface insights in real time.
The question is, how do we ensure these technologies serve human values? That's why ethical AI frameworks are part of modern foresight, guiding technologies in directions beneficial to all.
And in business, that means aligning AI strategy with long-term sustainability, inclusivity, and user trust. Without that, no technology, no matter how powerful, will succeed.
Bringing this back to the data itself, by 2050, the sheer volume and diversity of data will be staggering. We will gather data from cities, homes, and even our own bodies. How we manage, protect, and use that data will shape the future.
Think about smart cities already in planning or early deployment, sensors monitoring traffic, pollution, energy use, and more. The successful ones will use data to enhance quality of life without feeling invasive.
And that requires transparency and clear consent. Foresight includes designing systems that respect privacy and empower individuals over their data.
What's exciting is that we're still writing this story. Businesses and leaders today decide what role AI and data play in society tomorrow.
Exactly. Foresight can be a tool for you as a manager or professional to not only understand emerging technologies, but to anticipate their implications for your industry, customers, and teams.
And even in uncertain or rapidly changing environments, having a vision of possible futures creates resilience. It lets companies pivot smartly instead of scrambling blindly.
So, to summarize, foresight is informed speculation about the future based on trends and data. AI and data will profoundly shape 2050, bringing incredible opportunities and serious challenges.
And it's a call to action. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, automotive, or retail, understanding these trends and thinking ahead is key to thriving in tomorrow's world.
For our key takeaway, foresight is not just for futurists. It's a practical approach to prepare for multiple futures by learning from the past, analyzing the present, and imagining what's next.
And for me, staying curious about how data and AI evolve can help you make better decisions today and stay ahead tomorrow. Vision without action isn't enough.
Next time, we'll take a moment to pause and look back, a checkpoint 1 through 50 recap, reflecting on what we've learned and what lies ahead.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. We'd love to hear your comments or questions. You might even hear them featured in future episodes. Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.